the African and chain the African spirit. And as you come out in the wilderness, come on, my brother, come on. And as you come out in the wilderness, you will find peace. You will find love, and you will find joy. God created every living thing. God created all human beings. God created big and small, and He gives us all paradise for all. Look at the trees. Even the trees are so humble. Why can't we human beings be more humble? Why can't we be more loving and kind? Why we are wheeling away like the dry stick of the wave? Baby, oh mama, mama, Kane, tu mama kane matena maluna mafare gadano, tena makere mana la lore ina namare, te mama de bakuna malada de malakade. Grace and peace and love to the universe. That's what I'm saying. Love each other and love will come to you in peace and unity. Don't hate your sister because of her beautiful body. Don't love your sister because you want to have it. Don't rest your mind upon the flesh because even the flesh will pass away like the dust of the earth. And so all of us will be like the dust. Don't forget to love, show love, be kind, and be loved. Because one day we all will perish away. All these beautiful roads that you're looking at will be like the dust of the earth one day. Love is the way.